Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather briefing for Monday, October 26th. Once again, we're seeing low cloudiness across the region, which seems to be the theme as of late, as we have seen several mornings of low clouds during the past week. We've seen a low currently of 60 degrees at Wallops, and we're going to continue to see these low clouds as well as the slight chance of an isolated shower throughout the morning hours, maybe seeing a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, and then seeing low clouds and patchy fog return later tonight. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, still have some weak high pressure and control across the region. That will remain the case as we go into today, giving us some light winds as we go throughout tonight with that continued low level moisture across the region, helping to give us this patchy fog and low clouds across the region. Not really expected to see any weather until we get, or rain rather, until we get into later this week when we have a tropical system move onshore across the Gulf Coast, and then that will be impacting us as we go into the end of this week. Taking a look at our current conditions, seeing a broken cloud deck at 500 feet, overcast at 1,000, visibility is restricted to 3 statute miles, winds were from the north-northwest at 6 knots, temperature of 60 degrees. Take a quick look at our satellite across the region. As the sun comes up here, you see low clouds plaguing pretty much the entire mid-Atlantic this morning. They're really socked in pretty much everywhere, and I'm going to see this slow to burn off this morning. Like I said, still expecting maybe a little bit of sunshine this afternoon, and then seeing those low clouds and patchy fog return for tonight. So for today, looking at a high of 71 degrees this afternoon. Could see a little bit of sunshine, like I said, not expecting too much though, as these clouds will stick around for the most part for much of the day. Going to be looking at a slight chance of an isolated shower across the region. Let's take a quick look at our radar. You can see some of those showers across the area. It looks like they're pretty much dissipating, but still could be seeing a sprinkle or two across the region throughout the remainder of the day. And then tonight, looking at a low of 56 degrees. Winds today are going to be from the north generally around 4 to 9 knots late this morning and into the early afternoon hours before becoming light and variable late this afternoon rather, into early this evening. Then overnight, seeing those winds shift northwesterly at 3 to 8 knots. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to continue to see broken clouds around 500 feet or so, overcast of 1,000 this morning. Then as we go into this afternoon, those ceilings should raise to around 2,000 feet or so. Still going to be looking at a very slight chance of a sprinkle in the early afternoon hours. And then tonight, seeing those ceilings drop down at around 500 feet or possibly lower, especially after 8 p.m. We'll also be seeing some areas of fog develop in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow morning. We are seeing our tides 1/2 to 1 foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast. For tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy to overcast once again. Another chance of low cloudiness in the morning with a high of 69 degrees. Going to be looking at another night, Tuesday night, of cloudy skies with some patchy low clouds. Also going to be seeing a very slight chance of an isolated shower as we'll have some upper level energy moving across the area, and expecting a low of 57. And then Wednesday, cloudy once again with patchy low clouds. Very slight chance of an isolated shower, the high of 68. So very persistent forecast this week as we go into the next couple of days with persistent clouds and patchy morning fog. That will do it for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a good day.